Alright, hi, welcome back to our tutorial video. But this video is different from the previous one, but the lesson is still continuing from the previous video, which is a tutorial for the Go Take Up version 2 level 1. Okay, this video I will continue to teach you on how to write the programming for the level number 2, but this one is the practice lesson for the URC 2021 competition. So starting from this video, okay, I will do the practice lesson with all the participants for the URC 2021. Okay, this one is the same lesson as the Go Take Up version 2. Don't worry. Okay, so let's start. Practice number 2. Okay, from my previous video, I just covered for this level number 1. For the second video, I will do for the level number 2. So let's go. Alright, please press the spacebar to continue. And this is the level 2, the continuing lesson from the previous video. Okay, level number 2, your robot will move slowly, okay, according to the condition of the map. So your mission is to collect all the energy portions, but please be careful with the slow zone area. Later on, I will show you what is the slow zone area and what is the limitation for the speed when you are passing through that area. So set your robot at 50 speeds to go through the slow zone and pass this level. Okay, good luck. Okay, this one is I already introduced to you from the last video, which is the tutorial for the level number 1. I introduced all the features here. So this one, just a quick recap. Okay, this one is the programming canvas. All the programming you must write down inside this area. Okay, this is the step for you to write your programming. Okay, you must have the start block event. Okay, and then the DC power block. Okay, the setting power motor for your DC motor. Okay, and then the direction of the block. Okay, you need to have a weight block. Okay, in order for you to set how far that your robot will move. And then the last one, once you start to move your robot, you need to brake or stop your robot, right? So this is the block. DC motor, off or brake. Okay. This one is the start program. Okay, this one how you set your power speed of your motor. Okay, this one also the power speed. Okay, this is the new features inside this level number 2. This is the slow zone area. You need to set your robot at 50 speeds to go through the slow zone area in order for you to pass this level. If you're using higher than 50 speed, and then you need to retry the level. Okay, so please make sure that be alert and be careful for this slow zone area, and then you need to use the suitable power speed, which is the 50, not use more than 50 power. Okay, this one, change the speed. Okay, in this level 2, the objective lesson is want you to make sure that you know how to change the power speed according to the condition of the road. If let's say that there is a slow zone area, so what you need to do is you need to change from the highest speed to the slower speed. That is the objective lesson for this level number 2. So make sure that you can see at the end of this level, you can see and learn how to change the power speed, okay, from a different stage. Let's say that you start with the higher level, the highest speed, and then you change to the lower speed. Okay. Okay, you need to read one by one the tutorial. Okay, please make sure that you know how to write basic programming. Okay, you need to watch the previous video, which is the level number 1, Introduction to Go Take Up version 2, and then you will know what is the purpose or what is the function of the features here. Okay, so let's start with your programming. Okay, you need to place this block, which is this one, is the compulsory block, the start block, and then you need to put this one. Okay, set your power speed for both DC motors. As you can see, there is two DC motors here, M1 and M2. M1 will be the right one, M2 will be the left one. Alright, M1 and M2, both sides must have same speed. And then set the direction of your movement. Okay, this one is the direction for your robot movement. CW is forward. M1 and M2, same. Okay, both must have same direction. And then put the weight block. Weight block is the block for you to set how far that your robot will move. Okay, in this mission, as you can see that this is the slow zone area that I said just now. But this one is the normal condition of the road. Okay, so that you can use a normal speed for your robot. But when you want to once you want to entering this slow zone area, you need to change the speed from the high speed to the lower speed. And then after passing through the slow zone area, you are allowed to change back to the higher speed of your robot movement in order for you to go to this portal. Okay, as long as you know and see the changes of the speed here, from the highest speed to the lower speed and then the highest speed back. Okay, that is what I want to teach you today in this video. Okay, so for this first stage, okay, don't forget to put a stop. Make sure both motors, you need to brake. Okay, this is the first stage of my programming. I want to stop here, okay, around this area in order for me to change back the speed to the lower speed. So this is the first stage of my programming. And let's see whether 1 second movement forward, is it okay? Alright, as you can see that it is just nice. Okay, there's a gap here. That one that is good if you have a distance or a gap here in order for you to change for the next stage, which is the slower speed. Okay, so this is the first stage of my programming. The second stage is the stage that I want to passing through this slow zone area. So what I need to do is, okay, I will use this weight block, okay, for the transition of the changing of speed here. Okay, in order to make sure that my robot is moving smooth and going straight. Alright, this one, as you can see, this one is the power speed. Later on, I will change to 50 because I want to passing through the slow zone area. And the direction, of course, make sure that your direction is moving forward towards the portal. And then don't forget to put weight block, okay, how far that your robot will move. So you can see from this point to passing through this point, this slow zone area, I will estimate that there is a 5 seconds distance and then big brake. Okay, once you move, make sure that you brake your or stop your robot, because if you are not setting for the stop movement, and then your robot will remain to move. Okay, this one is the second stage. Okay, I want to passing through the slow zone area, which is you need to set the maximum is 50. So I will put 50. Okay, actually you can use lower than 50. It's up to you. As long as you are not exceed 50 speed, is okay, right? But if you want to set 40, it's also okay, right? I want to use 40. Okay, I want to use 40. I want to use 40, and then 5 seconds to passing through the yellow zone area. Oh, sorry, the slow zone area. Okay, 100 power, and then change to 40 power to passing through the slow zone area. Is it enough? 5 seconds? Here is not enough. So I will put 7. Okay, to be safe. Right? Moving 100 power and then change to 40 power speed. Okay, and then passing through 7 seconds. Alright, so from this position, I want to change back to higher speed because I want to go to the portal. Okay, so in this area, there is no slow zone area, so I can use more than 50 or more than 40 speed. Okay, so I will do a third stage of my programming, just this one. Okay, if you want to write down only two stage of the programming, it's also okay, as long as you can see the changes of the speed. Okay, because the lesson objective for this level is to make sure that you know how to change the speed. Okay, so 2 stage is enough, but it is better for you to practice for the third stage of the programming, so you know how to change the speed of your power. Alright, this one. Okay, from here to here, I don't think 1 second is enough for me to go to the bottom, so I can use 2. You also can use the decimal number, like say 1.5. Okay, we want to use 2, so also can. Alright, so let's see what happened to my output for the programming. So moving 100 power and then change to 40 power because this one is the slow zone area, and then change back. Okay, change back to the power higher speed, which is 100. Okay, so that's all for level number 2, and I hope that you can do by yourself. Okay, make sure that you achieve the objective lesson for this level. You know how to change the speed according to the condition of the road. Alright, see you at the next level. Thank you so much. Bye.